Hi, people. This BreadTech black coating is pretty scratch durable on this powder, metal powder. Very good. And I found out this Edge Pro, uh, you know, yellow position is very same as this original range. Sharp sporting knife position. Very good. Yeah, this is black. And high angle. Very high angle. In my opinion. 15-degree angle. And both sides. This thin leather, on the leather, the edge doesn't sink deep, so I think I can effectively put an convex micro edge on this knife, I believe. I have 7 knives for hunting, folding knives. Other than them, I sold it away or gave it to my friend. This is all my hunting blades. This one is exclusive, full height convex. This has 20-degree, very shallow and smooth convex edge. So, I will not carry this knife for the next hunt. Very special, absolutely good. So I put it away. And next hunting, I will check up all these 7 knives and get some conclusion. First, BreadTech Professional Hunter Magnum, V-edge, and my micro convex edge. Like this, no problem. Longhorn, Lone Wolf. Only this knife has factory edge and my convex micro edge. I do it once with this knife and stayed sharp, so I did not Edge Pro sharpen. Just put micro convex edge on it. So sharpest. Casio VG10 V-carve knife. No problem, sharp. Emerson Commando. I reprofiled both sides, the same angle edge, 30 degrees. No chisel at all. Sharp enough. Emerson Mini Commando. Sharp enough. Benchmade Egyptian 154 cm. Pretty sharp. House 8. This scratch is from Edge Pro. This is very durable coating, very different, cheap knife and expensive knife. a bit dull from outside steel or something, I don't know. However, I did the same thing on these knives, no problem. I'd like to give you some result. Yeah, result. Okay. First, Emerson Commander. Cut very well. And upcut. Very smooth and comfortable. This recurve takes the skin very well. Next, Emerson Horseman. Not very useful. Commander is better back skin opener. And the skinning comfortable. And mini Commander. This is not very sharp. Shot in. In this case, Horseman is better knife. The other side, Longhorn. Whoa. Very sharp and comfortable knife. And Blade Deck, professional hunter Magnum. Comfortable. Both great knives. I can't say which is better. Both better. Okay. Griptilian. This takes a chest wound, however, back straps are okay. Very beautiful back strap. This deep position works very well. 551 Griptilian. Next, Commander. Hitches, bone hitches the edge. Not very good. Horseman. Better. Griptilian. Very good. I understand. Horseman and Griptilian is better knife. And this is Ontario Flatland folder. Very good. However, this hitches on the surface of bone a bit. So, in these knives, 51 is very good. 551. Next. Longhorn. Pretty good. Professional hunter. Pretty good. And Lahal. Pretty good. the utility is commonly great. Longhorn. Just a bit hook on the bone, and yeah, Lahar is better, and professional hunter Magnum. Yeah, this is the best knife in these three. I get the conclusion. Whoa, shot wound in it here, maybe. I get some conclusion. Bradtech Professional Hunter Magnum and 551 best in these knives. Lahar and Longhorn is next class. And fifth, Horseman. And this is not very good. I think. No good. In short, no good. These five, good. Especially 551 and Bradtech is my preference. So, let's check the penetration. こっちまでいただいていいですか? First, Commander. Yeah. Horseman. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 This is the best piercing knife. Wrapped one folder. Very smooth piercing. And Commander, no good for piercing. Next, 551 is very good for piercing. These two are good piercing knives. I do it with Longhorn. Longhorn is pretty sharp, very comfortable for this job. Okay, great stack.